Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today I'll tell you that what are the basics of option trading, as well as for the beginner as well as for the advanced traders or intermediate traders who are trading, but what they do is they'll do a lot of mistakes. They earn, no doubt they earn, but because of their mind hacks or patience, lack of patience, what they do is they they do things which is not required at the time of trading, and which in turn affect them and create them a loss. Sometime a good trader moves out that a loss with minimum loss, but what most of the trader do is they try to take revenge trading, and that's when the problem arises, and whatever they have earned they do it as a loss. They in turn get into a loss. So it's a process that you have to understand, even for a beginners as well as for the advanced. I know that advanced people have already have gone through the process if they are a successful trader. If not, but this is what you have to watch. You just have to watch for 7-8 minutes, okay, so that you can understand. It's a few basic things that you have to understand and create subconsciously, so that when you trade you can exit from it, or you can do it a trade which is again will support the trade which is not in your favor, and can do a great thing. So let's start with step 1. What a step 1 shows is that you have to understand that option trading is a process. For example, you do a BA degree, engineering degree, doctor degree, it is the same thing. So what you have to understand is that it is a process of, for example, if you do an engineering degree, it takes 4 years. If you do a doctor's degree, it takes 5 years. It is a process that you have to understand. It is, yes, you can understand in 5 days, 10 days, 15 days, but what you have to do is that you need a lot of experience in order to be a good trader and in order to make a profit. So what I would suggest that you should start with one lot. Okay, this is the first step. You should start with one lot, and the second step that you have to follow is that when you started with one lot, what you have to do is you don't have to jump in 5 lots, 3 lots, or 10 lots. What you have to do is you have to trade it continuously for a week, okay, and then for a month. If you get a positive result, this is the second step, that you have to trade with one lot for a month. If you get a positive your PNL, so then you can increase the lot in your second month. If you didn't get it, again start with the same, okay, till you get your month profitable. Now I'll tell you the third step. What you have to do is you have to be clear in mind, okay, that with one lot I will earn, if I get a profit in initial day. What you have to do is you just have to trade it continuously. Whether it comes, you have to just check it where I can go on trading, but you have to analyze the market, write it down every 10 seconds, 10 minutes, support and resistance, so that you can easily understand where it can cross upper side and lower side, and where you can buy and sell. The third step is that you have to create an exit and stop loss for a day. Suppose you have a capital of 1 lakh. Some of the retail trader don't have 1 lakh also, but I'm making a video for even who have 10,000 or 5,000, who are starting with 5,000. So for example, if you trade in Bank Nifty or Nifty, suppose you have 1 lakh of capital, suppose 10,000, okay, for a beginners 10,000. You should make that, if you get a loss of 500 rupees per day, then you will exit for the day, and you will start fresh from the next day. Market will give you ample of opportunities to trade and make profit. So don't try to take a revenge trading or thinking that I will do it and then I'll exit. I'll make the profit and I'll exit. Okay, so understand one thing. What you have to do, you just have to exit if you are in a loss for the particular day. Okay, now my fifth and the last step that you have to understand. I will tell you fourth and the last, which I have already told you, but yeah, I will expand it more. Fifth, what you have to do is, in the fifth step, you just have to analyze that with this particular, for example, with 10,000 rupees, you don't have to invest your full amount. You don't have to exit with a full amount. Okay, sorry, you don't have to trade with your full capital. For example, you have 10,000, then you invest with 3,000. Okay, do it for a day, so that if your full capital will be wiped out, it is 3,000, then you can have 7,000 in where you can trade for the next day. Okay, if you have 10 lakhs, if you have 1 lakh, then you can trade with 20,000 per trade, or you can reduce it till you are beginners, or if you are intermediate, then you can start with 30 or 40, or if you are advanced, then you can use it capital 50, but never use full capital. That you have to understand. Okay, now I'll tell you the summarize thing. Most of the trader what they do, they read a lot of books. Okay, if you are reading a lot of books, that's good, but what you have to do is, when you are in profit, please, for example, you have 5k profit, if it comes down to 3k, please stop trading. And if you are a good trader, or if you are making good amount, and if you at 1 lakh per day, then please, if you lost around 30,000 40,000, stop for a day. That you have to understand and keep it in mind. One more thing, mind hack is very important. You have to be cool when you trade, and you should know when to exit. Okay, you have to exit in profit if you are in profit for a day. Okay, market will give you a lot of opportunities. You just don't have to continuously trading. This is so. Now I'll summarize it. First, what you have to do is, you have to trade with one lot. Okay, till you get a second, till you get monthly profit, you have to trade in one lot. Okay, and monthly, if you are in profit, then only you continue with the second month with increase in lot. Otherwise, you trade with the same lot. Okay, and third, you have to increase. There should be a profit. If you are getting it for example, you have some amount of profit, get out of it for the day. If you make a little bit of less in the loss in about in that profit, so you should exit with a profit. Okay, fourth, that you should make your trade loss, means a trade in for a day loss. For example, if you have capital of 10,000, if you made a loss of 500, then please exit. If you have a capital of 1 lakh, you should make a day trade loss. Okay, for example, you trade with 2,000, you got a loss of 2k, please exit the market and then trade fresh with in the new day. Okay, in the next trading day. This is what you have to do. And the fifth one, you have to be very careful, exit in the profit. Okay, and overall, be prepared for doing with be prepared with a free mind, and trade with every free mind. This is what you have to do. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. And if you want that you get a notification of my new video, please press the bell icon so that you will get notification of my new videos. Thank you.